piece of shit bike. Hit one. One, two, three. Fucking piece of shit. Okay, let's do that again. Let's see that again. One, two. Okay, let us put this big stone back over here. One. Sturdy. Let's check the damage to the bike. Well, the handlebars move. Yeah, it's a bit bent senseless. In fact, see if we can snap it all together. What can we use? What can we use? Something heavy. Something heavy as shit. But obviously not the sledgehammer because it's broken. A bit of slab. This might break too. Yep, it worked. Didn't break it completely though. But it's a good bit of damage. Definitely a good bit of damage. Maybe if we just get a brick and keep just kind of hitting it. Oh fuck! Broken brick. Too painful for the hands. Let's try something. Oh yes. I broke something. Oh, come on. That'll do for just now. We just review the damage. Put the good old brick back. Let's review the damage. Okay. Handlebars are loose. They come right off, really. Quite a bit of damage here. Paint stripping. Big bash there. Seat, well, it was broken anyway, it moved. But broken one of these off. Yeah, this is bent. So is that. And then the gears are all fucked up. They're all fucked up. That's about it. It's fucking senseless.